10 years, the biggest thing I was trying to do is to teach you guys to do DIY easy, to do everything on an easy way and to enjoy it. And that's exactly what Swartland is also doing. They're making life easy for you with their doors. When you buy doors from Swartland, they're already pre-sealed, the glass is in, and you don't have to do anything except hanging a door. And as you can see, it's very easy to do that. Another thing that's very easy with hanging doors is what to do with a double door like this, because we usually have the rebate doors and it's difficult to put the lock in. But what you can do is to use a normal T-piece. You use your normal lock, because we recycle. We've put in new doors here, but we recycle the hinges, we recycle the locks. And what you then do, you put a T-piece on the side. You still take the hole out where the lock is going to fit, and you fit it as a normal lock into the T-piece. And that's exactly what Swartland is also doing. They're making life easy for you with their doors.